Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how we transplant our sprouting broccoli into a container or grow bag. Here's a clip from the show. All right, next we're going to plant up our broccoli. This is the little sprouting broccoli. This is BC 1611 is its name. And what I have here is a 10-gallon pot, so I went with a bigger pot. Same soil mix. This is the Family Secret seedling mix with compost mixed in it, and it's all the way to the bottom, so this plant can get nutrients all the way to the bottom. These plants have been outside for about 10 days. They've been through frost, snow, 30-mile-an-hour wind, so they are very hardened off, and I don't really need to do anything to protect them. So I will just dig a hole down the center. Now, if it's going to get below like 25 degrees, I'll probably throw a frost blanket over them because they are a little bit young, but other than that, I think we're going to be just fine. So to get this planted, I'm just going to turn that upside down. Got a pretty nice root system started here. Put that in, and I'm going to just firm that soil in around it. And then I'm going to mulch this, and I can mulch this fairly heavy because there's nothing else that I'm going to put in this pot. We're going to let the broccoli have the whole thing. I mean, it looks kind of tiny right now, but believe me, by the end of the season, these things are ginormous. So we're also going to plant another one here. Same thing. Just turn that upside down. Got a nice little root system started. Bring that soil in. If you have a really long stem, you can bury that. And then we're going to mulch around that because I'm a lazy gardener. I don't like to weed, so we're going to use a lot of mulch. Okay, so we're going to have 6 of these in a row. I'll get all these planted, and then we're going to get some water on this as soon as we get the rest of the garden planted. So this clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 10 Week -3. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.